Hello everybody, welcome to ZenAppBuilder. How build an LMS app using ZenAppBuilder with Academy LMS integration. Since we're building an LMS app using ZenAppBuilder with Academy LMS integration, the Academy LMS plugin must be installed and activated. You should also have a few courses created in Academy LMS before proceeding. If your courses are free, only the Academy LMS plugin is required. However, if your app includes paid courses, you'll also need StoreEngine installed and activated to handle the purchase process. If you want to use certificates, you'll also need to install and activate aBlocks as it is required for the Academy LMS certificate feature. First, let's create a new app. I'll name it Academy LMS and click Create. The app has now been created successfully. Click Design. In the Design section, you'll find the app icon settings. You need to upload all 4 PNG icons here. If you don't provide all 4 icons, the app won't build successfully. The first one is icon.png. I uploaded the icon.png file. Next is adaptiveicon.png, and I uploaded that as well. Next, I uploaded the splash.png file. Finally, I uploaded the favicon.png file. I clicked Save Changes to save the configuration. Next, I went to the icon library section. The icon library already includes a set of default icons. If you want, you can upload your own custom icons here. For an Academy LMS app, however, the default icons are more than enough. Next, let's move to the Themes section. In the Themes section, you can customize the app's font and colors. Click the font option to choose a different font, and you'll see a live preview on the right side as you make changes. For example, if I change the header background color, you'll immediately see the header color update in the preview. For this tutorial, I'll keep the default color scheme. Click Save Changes. Next, let's move to the Notification section. Here you can change the notification position to either the top or bottom of the screen. You can also adjust the display duration if you'd like. You can also preview the notification styles here. There are 2 demo options available, single and stack notifications. Next, let's move to the Connectivity section. First, copy your website's URL and paste it into the site URL field. Next is Live Preview Credentials. Here you'll need to enter your username and application password. I've already entered my username. To generate the password, go to your WordPress user profile page, scroll down to Application Passwords, enter a name such as ZenAppBuilder, and click Add New Application Password. WordPress will automatically generate an application password for you. Be sure to copy and save this password immediately. Go to the user profile, Update Profile. This will save the application password to your user profile. Now, let's move to the Navigation section. In the Navigation section, you can add items to both the side menu and the bottom bar. For the bottom bar, it's recommended to keep the number of items to 5 or fewer. Adding more than 5 items may cause layout issues or prevent them from fitting properly on the screen. You can also enable or disable the bottom bar whenever you want. Now, let's move to the Customize section. Here you'll find a variety of code blocks and Academy LMS blocks. You can simply choose the blocks you need and use them to build your app. The center panel shows the preview, while the panel on the right displays the live preview. I clicked on the nav bar. These settings apply to all main screens. From here, you can customize the nav bar to match your preference. For example, enabling bold, centered, or minimal styles. We'll use the minimal style for this tutorial. I click Save Changes to apply the changes. Now, if I go back to the Navigation section and open the side menu, you'll see that it has been enabled automatically. From here, you can enable or disable it whenever you want. Now, let's go back to the Customize section. For the home screen, you can use blocks such as Post List, Academy LMS Course Cards, or Academy LMS Course Compact. Since we're building an Academy LMS app, make sure to select the blocks from the Academy LMS category. I clicked Save Changes to apply the changes. You can also add more elements to the home screen, such as a hero slider, search bar, or text block. Feel free to customize the layout based on your needs and preferences. In the Categories section, a Categories block is selected by default. Next, I went to the Categories section. The process is the same as before. Under Academy LMS, you'll find 2 variants, Course Categories and Course Catalog. For this tutorial, I selected Course Catalog. I clicked Save Changes to apply the changes. For the My Courses screen, there's a dedicated My Courses block under the Academy LMS category. Simply add that block here. There are two versions available here, My Courses Default and My Courses Academy. For this tutorial, I selected My Courses Academy. I clicked Save Changes to apply the changes. Next, we can add another block called the Downloads block. This block gives users a dedicated place to access and download items such as notes, assignments, and certificates. After adding the block, I clicked Save Changes. Next, let's move to the Search section. A search block is already added by default, and there are several other blocks you can use if needed. For this tutorial, I'll keep the default search block. Then, under the Academy LMS category, make sure to select Search Courses. If you'd like, you can also customize the placeholder text for the search field. If you enter a placeholder text, you'll see the change instantly in the live preview on the right. I clicked Save Changes to apply the changes. Next, let's go to the Profile section. By default, a profile block is already added. If you click Edit, you can enable or disable the Device Manager feature. Once you're done, click Save Changes. Now if I go back, there's another block called Profile Header. You can add this block to display a header at the top of the profile screen. The profile header block has two variants, Compact and Card. I selected the Compact variant. After adding it, the block appeared below the profile block. I simply used drag and drop to move it above the profile block. Under Avatar Style, you can choose between Gravatar and Initials. I'll keep Gravatar selected for this tutorial. After that, I clicked Save Changes. Our app is now ready. Now let's go to the Build section. Select either Expo mode or Docker mode, depending on how you'd like to build your app, and then start the build process. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.